Kamusta mga ate, kuya, beshi? Si Chari po ito mula sa The Sun, Moon, Stars, PH Tarot. Ipapaalam ko lang po na ito po ay isang general read o pangkahalatang pagbabasa at maaring hindi lahat ay magtugma sa inyong sitwasyon. I-check din nyo ang inyong Moon, Rising at Venus sign. Baka doon mas tumugma ang read para sa inyo. At kung ang mensahe ay tama sa inyo, paki-like lang po at mag-subscribe kung hindi pa ninyo ito ginagawa. Okay, mag-umpisa na po tayo. Hello po mga ate, kuya, beshies. Kamusta na po kayo? Dito ulit ako si Chari para gumawa ng another reading, and this is for the sign of Taurus, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. And of course, welcome po yung mga cross-watchers ni Taurus at yung mga bago po nating mga viewers. Tingnan po natin ngayon kung ano yung mensahe para sa iyo, Taurus. It says here, hobbies. Okay, so ito yung mga ginagawa natin na yung extra mga curricular activities natin o yung something that we expresses our creativity. Ito yung ginagawa natin on the side, no, na para lang to relax, to enjoy our free time. A hobby could be anything na talagang you love to do or you're passionate about, or it could be na in a way parang nagiging way mo rin to earn extra money, di ba? Kung hobby mo maging, sabihin natin kung hobby mo maging content creator, then every now and then nagsushoot ka ng video, no, to show it sa social media, then that could be a hobby. Not necessarily talagang yun ang career mo, but it could also be na sabihin natin na you're into crocheting or you're into cooking or into painting, something like that, na para just to relax yourself or your mind or your parang kung may extra time ka, no, yun yung ginagawa mo. Maybe a hobby for you is just to go and have a good book beside you and read, no, magbasa lang. That could be a good hobby, di ba? Something na talagang nai-enjoy mo, yung me time, doing something that you love. That is basically a hobby. Okay? Now, tignan natin, kasi I will do the reading in two parts. First is the money, and then pangalawa po yung love. So, yung money would also mean about your work, your career, or your business. No? So, tignan natin kung ano yung makukuha natin dito energy. Ano dapat aware? Ano dapat makabangan? We have the Seven of Cups, the Two of Wands, and the King of Swords. Bottom niya is the Ace of Pentacles. Okay, Taurus, ang first card mo dito, Seven of Cups, parang you have so many choices, no? Marami kang pwedeng pagpilian. Maraming kang option. Minsan, dahil sa dami ng nakikita mo, nagugulo ka, nakukonfuse ka. Hindi ka kasi makadecide right away kung anong gusto mo. So, pinag-iisipan mo pa. Pinag-iisipan mo pa kung anong gagawin mo. Basically. Baka pinag-iisipan mo kung ano yung magiging hobby mo. Diba? Kung ano yung what you can do on your spare time. Which is not bad kasi diba sabi ko nga, it has to be something that you really enjoy doing on your free time, on your me time, no? Yung oras mo lang ito para sa sarili mo. So it has to be something that you really love to do kasi oras mo to diba? If you enjoy window shopping na ikaw lang mag-isa, then that's maybe you consider that to be a hobby of yours, di ba? So whatever this is, you have to make sure that this is what I love to do. This is what you love to do. Okay? Two of Wands is trying to make that decision. Ano na nga ba talaga pipiliin ko dito? Kasi di ba, you're given so many choices, but now you're being asked, ano na, make a choice. Make a choice. With the King of Swords is, come on, be honest. Be honest. Magpakatotoo ka na. Ano ba talaga gusto mo? Baka sobrang dami mong gusto, hindi mo maintindihan kung ano na talaga gusto mo. Diba? It could also be a question, no? Ano ba talaga gusto ko? Ang dami ko kasi pwedeng gawin eh. Diba? Now, with the Ace of Pentacles, definitely gusto mo yung hindi lang hobby but at the same time would earn money. No, nakikita ko dito na concern mo pa rin is pera. Yung hobby mo na pwede kang kumita o madagdagan yung kita mo. Hindi naman masama, di ba? Sabi ko nga, it has to be something that you could also use it to earn extra money. Di ba? Kung magaling ka sa, sabihin natin, pagpipainting, baka pwede mong ibenta yung mga paintings mo. Magaling ka magluto, then definitely you could sell, di ba, yung niluto mo, whatever that food is, di ba, pwedeng cakes, pastry, pasta, ano man yan, sweet or savory, whatever that is, di ba, pwede mo siyang ibenta. At the same time, nag-i-enjoy kang gawin kasi you love mo yung gawin, mahilig ka sa ganon, okay lang sa'yo na yung free time mo, you engage on that particular activity. At the same time, naisip mo, I could earn more money with this, di ba? Which is a win-win situation para sa'yo. Kaya you're being asked na, come on, make a decision. Sige na, decide ka na, ano bang gusto mo talaga gawin. Okay? So, tingnan natin, bakit nandito yung Seven of Cups? Nandito yung Seven of Cups. The Magician, the Five of Cups, and the High Priestess. Kasi kung sa pera din to, when it comes to your work or money, di ba, if you're, kung gaba parang marami kang ina-applyan, kung ano-ano yung ina-applyan mo, in other words, para lang magkaroon ng work. I mean, you're being asked, no, come on, mag-decide kung ano ba talaga gusto mong gawin. Hindi yung maraming, kung gaba, hindi siya chop suey. Hindi halo-halo. May nakafocus ka kung ano yung gusto mong career path. And that's what the King of Swords is saying. Come on, magpakatotoo ka talaga. Ano ba gusto mong gawin? Now, dito sa Seven of Cups, we have the Magician, the Five of Cups, and the High Priestess. So, you're manifesting something na talagang hindi ka magkakaroon ng regret pagdating ng panahon. Kaya you are being asked to, in choosing, use your intuition, Taurus. Gamitin mo intuition mo para hindi ka nga magkaroon ng regret, no? Pag pinili mo na kung ano talaga yung gusto mong gawin. But andito yung Two of Wands. We have the Sun, the Six of Wands, and the World. Ngayon, pinapa-decide ka na, no? Sabi sa'yo, come on, make a decision na. Make up your mind. Kasi para maging masaya ka na, para feeling mo, panalo. Diba? With the Six of Wands. And, magkaroon na ng panibagong cycle yung buhay mo. Mag-umpisa muli. Ko ba, diba? Kasi dito parang, kaya ka pinadi-decide, saan tayo pupunta? Para magkaroon ng panibagong cycle, which is ito yun. And of course, maging masaya ka, dahil di mo na po problemahin, and panalo. You're a winner, victory. This is victory. No? Panalo ka sa magiging desisyon mo o yung path na tatahakin mo. No? Bakit andito yung King of Swords? At andito yung King of Swords? We have the Hermit, the Two of Swords, and the Five of Swords. Sinasabi sa'yo dito, come on, maging honest ka, no? Sabi mo yung katotohanan. Kasi matagal mo na ito pinag-iisipan with the Hermit card, and kahit matagal mo na pinag-iisipan, hindi ka pa rin makapag-decide. Kasi nga, pakiwari mo parang hindi pa to yung talagang kung gaba parang pinag-iisipan mo pang mabuti kung talaga bang ito na, this is it, kung gaba tipong ganun. No? Isip ka ng isip, pero hindi ka maka-decide kasi hindi pa tapos yung pag-iisip mo eh. You're still trying to figure out things. Kaya sinasabi sa'yo na, come on, be honest. Just be honest with yourself. Ano ba talagang gusto mo? Ito. Alamin mo muna kung ano yung gusto mong mangyari. Diba? Kaya siguro, inaano sa'yo itong part na to. Maybe you take things kung ano yung magiging decide mo to make it like a hobby. Kasi pag sabi ko nga hobbies, yung mga ginagawa mong you love doing it. Gusto mo yun. You don't feel any tension. You feel relaxed doing it. You love doing it on your free time, on your me time. If at the same time, sabi ko nga, if you could use that hobby to earn more money, then you're more happier. If you treat this, ito tong nangyayari ngayon na choice mo kailangan gawin. If you treat it to be a hobby, baka mas madali yung magiging decision process mo. Kasi hindi ka masyadong tense, iniisip mo kung ano talaga yung gusto mo, may enjoy mo yung gagawin mo, mga ganun. Kasi dito, ang sinasabi, yung abangan mo is, di ba, ang abangan mo is ito yung pagiging truthful to yourself. Kasi isip ka nga ng isip, mag-iisip ka dito eh. Mag-iisip ka na mag-iisip para makagawa ng desisyon. But somehow, you feel na hindi pa enough yung iniisip mo para makagawa ng decision. Hindi pa enough yung hermit energy na yan para makagawa ka ng decision. So, ano yung advice dito? Embrace the flow of life. Yep. Embrace the flow of life. Full moon in Gemini. Embrace mo yung paano yung, nga ba tayong takbo ng buhay? Embracein mo. No? Go with the flow. Now, pagdating sa love, ano yung dapat mo abangan? We have the Five of Cups, the Emperor, and the Four of Wands. Bottom niya is the Queen of Wands. So before, meron kang regret, nagkaroon ka ng relationship na hindi ka masaya, so nanghinayang ka, maybe nag-split kayo, but hindi pa naman totally tapos no? There's still these two cups behind you na talagang ito yun. This is it na. Tinitignan mo lang kasi yung cup na natapos na nag-end na. Yung past relationships mo. Wherein, may padarating na emperor. You might be dealing with an Aries o may Aries siya sa kanyang chart. Kaya, this person is more mature, mas yung sabihin natin, mas responsible, like a really a good leader, no? Ano siya, tipong boss na, yung merong sinasabi. In other words, may posisyon. So, established na to. Meron siyang, kung ba, secure na siya sa kanyang finances. A father figure, maybe, no? Something like that, na talagang definitely much older than you. Okay? O meron siyang a certain level of maturity compared to you. Now, what is coming, ito yung you have to be, parang abangan mo, is the Four of Wands, which is a proposal coming from this person na eventually would ask you to marry him or her. No? Depende sa gender. But the point is, yung gusto niya na magsama kayo na dalawa. Okay? Kasi nakita mo naman na this person is very attractive, very friendly, okay siya sa na sabihin creative, no, very passionate, talagang fun to be with, yung mga ganong characteristics. So we ask, bakit andito yung Five of Cups? Bakit andito yung Five of Cups? We have the Page of Cups, the Four of Cups, and the Ace of Swords. Yung regret mo dito, no, Taurus, is about a offer of love na sabihin natin hindi masyadong ganun kaano kasi bata pa or on an early stage pa lang, kaya you hold on tightly to this relationship kasi kung ba parang maybe your first relationship, kaya parang sige, you valued it, na kaya nag-hold tight ka dito. But the truth of the matter is, parang hindi ka naman naging happy Hindi ka naging happy dito sa relationship nato because there is this regret, no? Parang nagkahiwalay din kayo and you feel sad about this, hindi naman nag-work yung relationship. So, ano yung pag-hold tight mo dito is hindi dapat ikaw lang yung nahirapan. Okay? So, the Emperor, bakit andito yung the Emperor? We have the Six of Swords, the Seven of Swords, Seven of Pentacles. Itong Emperor na to, this person, you wanted to be at peace with this person kasi nakita mo na hindi siya truthful, hindi siya totoo, no? Maniloko ka lang niya ng laro, ng gamit, nagsinungaling, may iba pa, yung mga ganon. Kahit na sabihin natin, ang tagal-tagal nyo na, kasi taon yung ginugol mo sa kanya, kahit papano, yung relationship nyo matagal na, pero still, nakuha pa rin yung manloko sa'yo, o yung matagal na kung ba parang akala mo okay kayo from the very start, pero may ginawa siyang pagkakamali o panloloko nga, pagsisinungaling. Kaya parang ikaw, nag-iintay ka you're waiting for this thing to parang kailan kaya ito mababago? Parang ganun yung dating na nakikita ko dito. Kailan kaya magkakaroon ng pag-iiba, pag-change? Let's clarify. Bakit andito yung Seven of Pentacles? Bakit andito yung Seven of Pentacles? We have the Queen of Wands, the Two of Cups, and the Moon. Okay, so yung pag-iintay mo dito, no, you're waiting for something. Ang iniintay mo is somebody that is very passionate, that the love of your life, yung ka-twin flame mo, yung ka-soulmate mo, kahit na sabihin natin hindi mo pa alam kung talaga mangyayari to. So that is what you've been parang waiting for all this time, Taurus. Yung talagang attracted ka, no? Attracted ka sa tao na to, na alam mo magiging partner mo for life. At kahit sabihin natin hindi ka sure na mangyayari to, but you are willing to, wait for this. Now, itong parating, bakit andito yung 4 of Wands? We have the 9 of Pentacles, the 10 of Pentacles, and the Knight of Swords. Okay, so itong sinasabi nating proposal, kasi initially you are single, doing very well for yourself, no? Hindi kailangan ng kahit sino, but I think when this person would come in, may experience mo na yung 10 of Pentacles. May elevate siya. From single, magiging married ka na, and it will happen very fast. Hindi mo inaasahang ganun kabilis yung pangyayari. Yun yung abangan mo. Okay? Once pumasok na once dumating na tong love of your life, ito yung iniintay mo. Remember, you are waiting for this. You're waiting for this love of your life. Kaya nga kahit na hindi ka sure, hindi unknown to you, sige lang. Kasi alam mo, from being single, now, magiging married ka na, and it will happen very fast. Okay? So, yun yung abangan mo. Now, ano yung message pa dito, Angel? Beware of what you are projecting, for the qualities you admire in one another are qualities you both possesses, equally so. The qualities you don't like are also your own reflection. Okay? So, ano lang yan, parang gabay, it's just an advice na kung ano man yung nakikita mo na pinoproject mo is basically ganun din siya. Kung ano hindi mo gusto, syempre, yung probability is ikaw yon, yung reflection na yon. So, you just be aware na ganito yon. Okay? Now, check natin yung timing. Yung timing dito sa love, kailan kaya niya mamimit yung person na to? O, tumalsik siya. No need to hurry. Hindi mo kailangan magmadali. Okay? Hindi mo kailangan magmadali. So, wala tayong time. Sabi nga sa it will just happen. Dadating siya when it is the right moment for it to happen. Okay? So, kung kanino man Taurus itong nakuha nating energy, I hope na nakatulong ito sa'yo. Maraming salamat sa pagsama mo sa akin sa pagbasa na ito. Sa susunod po muli, ingat ka and God bless.